Today, let's do a fun art activity. Using number 1 to 9, we will learn to draw different things. So, let's start. First of all, we will write number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, and lastly number 9. Now let's learn to draw different kind of drawings and objects using these numbers in very easy way. So first of all, let's start with number 1. We just have to draw a line here like this, exactly same laterally inverted. I have drawn like this was 1, so 1 inverted 1 here also I have written, and at the top using scallop lines I will draw some tree kind of structure. So here we have a tree using number 1. Now let's move to number 2. Now we have this number 2 written. Now let's just add few more lines in this easily. So we have a duck drawing here using number 2. Now let's come to number 3. We have this number 3 written over here. Now we'll just add more lines like this around the number 3 and one circle. And here we have a flower. Let's move to number 4. Similarly, we will just add one more large size number 4 here, inverted, and one semicircle at the bottom, and we have a boat drawing ready. With number 5, we will just add one semicircle drawing here, and we have an apple drawing with us ready. With number 6, we can draw a funny fish drawing. So here we will just add 2 eyes. We will join a line over here, a smiley, and here we have a fish drawing. Now let's move to number 7. We just have to join this part of the number 7, and we have a carrot drawing ready. Coming to number 8, we can make a snowman, I guess. So let's add the eyes, one muffler, hands, and some snow at the bottom. With number 9, we can draw a jacket or a shirt. So let's just draw. So here we have a jacket drawing using number 9. So students, I think this was very easy. Let's color these. We'll color the trunk of the tree using brown and the top part using green. Here we can leave the duck white. We will just color the beak in orange, and we will add blue for the water. Let's color our flower in red color. And the leaves in green color. The boat in brown, and the apple in red. Let's color fish in pink color. Let's make it pink and yellow. The carrot in orange. snowman will remain white. As it's snow, we will just color the cap. Let's color the hat of the snowman in red. The snowman will remain white as it's snow, and the muffler in red. The jacket we can color in any color of our choice. Let's choose purple for the same. So students, you can see using number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, we have drawn such nice drawings. I'll just write down the numbers beside our drawing. I hope you have enjoyed doing this interesting art. We can also think several other drawings, and using these numbers we can draw several other drawings also if we think and try. So let's keep thinking and drawing such nice drawings. Stay connected. Thank you.